A professional business portrait should look natural, confident, and clean. Begin with accurate white balance so skin tones and clothing colors appear polished and neutral. Use the healing brush to clear minor distractions like small blemishes or lint on clothing. Lighten shadows under the eyes and around the chin to create a fresh appearance without looking edited. Adjust exposure and contrast to keep the face well lit and the background unobtrusive. Sharpen eyes and jawline to subtly enhance expression and structure. Keep color grading minimal, cool neutral tones are ideal for professionalism.